In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Keep Only and Exclude buttons from Tooltips in Tableau. These buttons can sometimes clutter your view or distract from the primary insights you're aiming to present, so removing them can streamline your dashboard. Let's jump right in so you can customize your tooltips to better fit your needs. First, you'll need to open up the Tableau public app. If you haven't already, make sure it's downloaded and properly installed on your device. Once you have Tableau open, proceed to access your worksheet. This is where you'll pinpoint the view that you wish to modify. Navigating your workbook should be straightforward. Just go to the worksheet that contains the data visualizations where you want these adjustments made. Next, when you're on the right worksheet, you'll notice a section called the Marks card in Tableau. This is a crucial part of Tableau as it allows you to control how your data points are depicted. On this card, search for the Tooltip button and click on it. Doing so will bring up the Edit Tooltip window, a space where you have quite a bit of control over how information is displayed when hovering over data points. Now, focus on the checkbox labeled Include Command Buttons. This option is typically selected by default, which means those additional buttons, like Keep Only and Exclude, are included in the tooltip. To hide these buttons, you simply need to deselect this checkbox. By unchecking it, you're telling Tableau that you don't want those extra commands to clutter up your tooltips. After you've unchecked it, look for the OK button to confirm and save your changes. This action will close the window and update the settings so that your tooltips no longer show these command buttons. Alternatively, if you prefer using the menu, you can go to the top of your Tableau interface, click on Worksheet in the top menu bar, and then select Tooltip from there. This will also open the Edit Tooltip window, where you'll perform the same steps as just described. Again, look for the checkbox labeled Include Command Buttons, deselect it, and finalize your adjustments by clicking OK. And just like that, you've effectively removed the Keep Only and Exclude buttons from your tooltips, creating a cleaner, more focused display for your data visualization. This small change can make a significant difference, especially in presentations or when sharing your work with others who might be distracted by too many options. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Hopefully this simple yet powerful adjustment will help streamline your visualization efforts in Tableau. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tips and tricks like this one.